Bully beef soup ready. Corned beef soup ready. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video again. No lumberjack channel, right? So the recipe for today is some corned beef soup known as bully beef soup. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. It's a recipe I got nice, man. Tasteable, eatable. So the first one on the list, we have some mixed flour known as cornmeal and flour. We have pumpkin here. We have thyme, scallion, onion, Irish, yam, pepper, garlic, pimento seed, sea corned beef known as bully beef. We have the grace cock soup here. We have the butter right here. So remember, corned beef soup known as bully beef soup. Please to like and share. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable. You can see, add some garlic to it. Add a little Maggi season to the water. Make that one boil, right? I have yams and thing peel and Irish and pepper there. You see pumpkin. So we're going to add it to the pot now, right? Yeah, man. See it there. Make that one boil now. Put in the dumpling now, yeah? Yeah, man. Step by step, I'm showing it now. Remember, corned beef soup, you know. Step by step. Yeah, my peeps, see there? Step by step. Yes, my peeps, you can see butter there, scallion, onion, and some thyme, and a green pepper. Add it to it, right? Let's go and boil, I got down. Remember, no, man, corned beef soup, you know. Alright, that one boil, I got down now, man. You hear my people update on the bully beef soup, you know? Corned beef soup update. See, then I'm add the cock soup to it, you know? Yeah, man. That go and cook you for 10 more minutes again, boil I go down, you know? Add the corned beef, you see the flavor rich and pretty. Yeah, man. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know? Like and share. Hey, yeah, man, no peeps, man. It can't be soup, I go bad outside. Outside. Yeah, man, remember, the rich and thick can't be soup. Natural thickness, you know, man. Nothing add to it, just natural cook down this, you know. Cook out right out. Right, people see? Yeah, man, how the corned beef thick now. That one melt out, that butter again, so remember corned beef soup, you know. Corned beef. Different look to eat, you know. Outside, Jamaican cooking it lumberjack. That's our next 5 minutes. I go and cook down, go down. Yes, for people see the finishing product. Remember, you know, corned beef soup, you know, otherwise bully beef. You can see bully beef, then they mash out. So you see, yeah, man, nice, delicious, eatable, tasteable, finger licking. Tell us people no want taste the soup. Try the recipe and see. And give me a thumbs up when you're done for my own here. Let's try the recipe and see. Recipe is tasteable. finishing product is, right? Yeah, man, see the finishing product. Bully beef soup ready. Corned beef soup ready. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Subscribe. You my piece it there. Corned beef soup ready and now. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack on YouTube. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Subscribe. Bully beef soup. Corned beef soup. Outside. See? Yeah, man, outside. Delicious. Yes, my piece it there. See, corned beef soup already and now, man. Yo, me go make this. Yo, that change over motor run water. I'm hungry. Go on, cool. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know. Corned beef known as bully beef soup, you know. Like and share. Rich and thick up. Nice, delicious, eatable, tasteable. I'm a mouth run water. No joke. The corned beef soup, you know. Super nice. Eatable, tasteable. You see? Yeah, man. Please try this recipe. I don't want to stop it. It's a corned beef soup. Bully beef soup. Drink it. Nice. My favorite is dumpling. But it's hot. Like a cool.